Good morning friends, myself Niranjan Naik. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today we will focus some important dates observed nationally or internationally in the month of January. Here we will focus the day and its observations and cause or significances for which it is observed. 1st January, World Day of Peace. World Day of Peace was a feast day of the Roman Catholic Church dedicated to universal peace. It was first observed on this day in 1968. 1st January is also observed as Army Medical Corps Establishment Day because the Bengal Presidency Medical Service, which was the first military service of the three presidencies of India, was established on January 1st, 1764. 4th January is observed as World Braille Day. Louis Braille was born on this day in 1809. This day is observed to hour the importance of Braille language developed by him as a means of communication for the blind and visually impaired people. 6th January, it is observed as World Day of War Orphans. It was started by the French organization SOS Enfants in Distresses to create awarenesses about the plight of the war orphans and to address their traumatic conditions. 8th January, it is observed as African National Congress Foundation Day because African National Congress was founded on 8th January 1912 by John Langalibalai Dubé in Bayamfontein. 9th January, it is observed as Non-Resident Indian Day. It is celebrated from 2003 to mark the contribution of overseas Indians towards the development of India. This day was announced on 9th January 2002 by Atal Bihari Vajpayee to mark the return of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa to India. 10th January, it is observed as World Laughter Day. It usually takes place on first Sunday of May every year. The first celebration on January 10th was in Mumbai on 1998 and was arranged by founder of the worldwide laughter yoga movement. 10th January is also observed as World Hindi Day. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh announced the celebration of World Hindi Day on 10th January 2006. 11th January, it is observed as death anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was the second Prime Minister of India who died on this day in 1966. He is famous for the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. 12th January, it is observed as National Youth Day. That was the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. In 1984, the Government of India declared the birthday of Swami Vivekananda as National Youth Day. Since 1985, the event is celebrated in India. Government of India quoted that philosophy of Swamiji and the ideals for which he lived and what could be a great source of the inspiration for the Indian youths. 15th January, it is observed as Indian Army Day. This is observed in recognition of Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa, who took the charge of Indian Army on this day in 1949 from General Sir Francis Butcher, the last British Commander-in-Chief of India. 23rd January, it is observed as birth anniversary of two freedom fighters of India. They are Subhash Chandra Bose and Veer Surendra Sai. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897, who founded Indian National Army. Veer Surendra Sai was born on 23rd January 1809, who fought against the British East India Company. 24th January, it is observed as National Girl Child, first started in 2008 by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. It is celebrated to focus upon the importance of education, nutrition, legal rights, medical care and safety of girl children. 25th January, it is observed as National Voters Day. It was first time celebrated in January 26, 2011 to mark Foundation Day of Election Commission, which came into existence in 1950. 26th January, it is observed as Republic Day. On this day, in 1949, Indian Constitution Assembly adopted the Constitution. the supreme law of the land. 28th January. It is observed as birth anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai because he was born on this day in 1865 in Punjab. He played important role in India's struggle for freedom. 30 January. It is observed as Martyrs' Day or Shahid Divas because Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated on this day in 1948. Friends, thanks for viewing this video. If you feel the video is useful for your exam point of view, also for gaining knowledge, then comment, like, share and subscribe.